Good morning, students. This is your science class, and from this class, we are going to start our fourth chapter, which is plants in the surroundings and environment. In this chapter, we are going to learn about our plants, as the name describes. Plants are very essential thing for us. Because of these plants, we are surviving in this world. So they are essential things for us. In this chapter, we are going to learn about some topics which is written in your Learn About. The first topic is parts of a plant. How many parts of a plant? A plant having several parts like their root, branches, stem, flowers, fruits. All these things are parts of a plant. The second one is root. Root is the main part of the plant. Because of this root, roots just hold the plants so that they erect straight, as well as they absorb water and minerals from the soil and reach to the leaves, and leaves prepare food for their survival. So roots are very important for the plants. And the third one is shoot. Shoot includes all the parts which are just above the ground, like stem, branches, flowers, fruits, leaves. All these parts are just included in this shoot. The next one is parts of a leaf. You always seen a leaf, now. So the leaves having several parts, like in between the leaves there is a thin thread-like structure which is known as midrib, their lamina, their sides. All these things are just part of the leaves. So in this chapter we are going to learn about all these parts of a leaf. The next one is functions of a leaf. What is the main function of leaf? Photosynthesis. Due to photosynthesis, they make their foods and they survive, as well as transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which water is just vaporized from the lamina of the leaf in our atmosphere. So transpiration process is just included with the plants. Okay. The next one is food prepared by plants. All of us know about this. Due to photosynthesis, all the plants are just preparing their food so that they are survive. Uses of plants, various uses in our life. We are just taking our food materials from the plants, as well as in number of things we are just getting from the plants. So their uses are various in our life. Okay. The next one is plant products we use. Lots of plants products we use, like our furnitures, medicines, paper. In number of items we are used from our plants. So this is the overall idea regarding to this chapter, and this chapter we are going to learn about all these topics. Okay, so let's start our chapter with the page number 44. We see different types of plants around us. Yes, of course. So different type of plants we are always seen in our surroundings. Some plants are big, like trees, while others are small, like herbs and shrubs. There are certain plants that have weak stems too. A number of plants are just around us. Someone is big like trees, and someone are weaker, like our herbs, as well as climber and creepers. I hope all of you know about this in your because of this in class 3rd chapter all these things are mentioned. So all of you are just aware with climber, creepers, shrubs, herbs. Okay, they need support, like creepers and climbers. They need support for the growth of them. Okay. Plants are important to maintain our environment and the balance of nature. Because of these plants, all of us just surrounding our food cycle is just running because of these plants, because these plants are just eaten by us as well as the herbivorous animals, and this herbivorous animals is just eaten by our carnivorous animals. So this is a food cycle which is just only for this plant, so that they are just balance our environment as well as produce oxygen for our surviving. So lots of benefit we are just getting from these plants. Okay. In class 3rd, we had studied about the different types of plants. All of you just studied in class 3rd different type of plants. We know that plants can be grouped as trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers or creepers based on the size and type of stem. Like trees are very big in size, our shrubs are just shorter than the trees, and herbs are very small, and climber and creepers are just grow around the soil, around the ground. So all these are just different in sizes, as well as the stems, like trees having a hard stem, shrubs having a weaker stem rather than the trees, as well as our herbs, climber, creepers, all of them having the weaker stems. So on the basis of size and stems, we are just categorized our plants in mainly 5 parts. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climber and creepers. So it's all about for today, and in our next video we are discussing more